1001, 1002. 1001, 1002. It's probably it'll grind a tooth in 2 seconds.
Yeah, maybe.
So you don't get, I'm not in a big fucking hurry. These have been sharpened these 3 years. They are sharp.
They cut pretty good, hey?
20 RPM.
Yeah, I figured it.
Tooth every 3 seconds.
Yeah, I figured it was about 20. That's the kind of thing, you just set it and
I've never
just
counted the teeth. For 7/8 pitch, there's a tooth every 7/8 of an inch. And it's 12 feet, so you could do the math. And then they say you should be careful where your blade is welded because the spacing is never right by the blade weld.
oh yeah, that would make sense.
But I never paid much attention to that, and it go through.
Still think long term we should throw something over your stover. That dust, yeah, it's going this way, but it's bouncing back the other way.
I can't.
That's my fault.
After hours of standing here, it hurts my lungs. I'll actually run that box fan while I'm grinding, just because it hurts.
Yeah, 7/8 checks out, right, Gary?
Yep.